Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for joining me today. Today's video is an unboxing video, and this one is from Your Creative Studio. This is the second package that I've been sent to unbox on my channel, so thank you Amanda for sending it over. So I'm going to set this video to music so you can just watch me as I go through and unbox everything. And before I set it to music, I will just say a few things about the box. And one is that I really enjoyed this box, truly. As I'm going through the box, I just see so many pieces that I really love, patterns I really love, colors I really love, and I especially liked the very realistic looking floral stickers. I know I can use those a bunch in my journals. I'm really loving using stickers in my traveler's notebook inserts. Another thing I really liked in this box were the floral stamps that were included. You'll see them shortly in the video, and those stamps are really good quality. They make a really good impression. I haven't tried the ones that came from this box yet, but my last box, it was the same type of stamp, and I was just really shocked at what a clear, nice impression those made. So yeah, I definitely am looking forward to using these floral stamps that came with this box. And lastly, I was really impressed with all of the little pattern papers and some of the textured papers that were included. There really seemed to be a huge variety of papers that were included in this whole box. So those textured papers and pattern papers, really love those, and I also really liked the convenient little pad that some of the papers came on. So I will let you continue to watch this unboxing video, and maybe you can see some of what I've just mentioned as you follow along. So if you haven't checked out Your Creative Studio, I definitely would recommend. As I said, this is my second box from them, and I've been really pleased both times, this time around even more so. So all the information that you would need to check out Your Creative Studio will be in the description box of the video. And thanks again to Amanda for sending this over for review. Enjoy the video, guys. Talk to you later. Bye. So I have to pop in here for a second because I wanted to point out this product here. These are rub-on transfer stickers, and these are so cool. I have used rub-on transfers before, and they are super easy to use. There's instructions on the back here. You get a little plastic tool that helps you to rub the transfer. It's exactly what it sounds like. You're transferring that image onto another paper or another surface, and you use the little spatula that it comes with to assist with rubbing it on. So yeah, this is just a really cool thing. I was really surprised when I saw this in the box. And yeah, there's some really pretty designs in here, and you get a couple of sheets. So a really cool feature of this box.